What are you doing, Jeremy? Oh, no. All right. So just waiting for Jessica. Um, well, yeah. All right, Chloe, where did you want leave off? Wait, where is that from? On music? Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So Jessica, Katina, and Jeremy, you can keep doing that box. Okay, the blue box. Just let me know if you need help with that. All right. What number you on, Chloe? Oh, hold on. Do you remember, Chloe, when we did the piece functions? Do you remember that? I thought, yeah, because let me find it in my other book. I know, okay. You know what? The decimal point to 11.4. Because 11.3, I'd rather just do the continuous function. Versus. Oh, alright. Because that has to do with the piece. Remember we did the piece function, piecewise function? Um, no, I want to do 11.4. This is a little bit, this is where you have your intervals. What are you doing, Jack? Oh, you're muted. Oh, okay, you're fine. Go ahead. Do you need help? Number 7? Are we finished it? Yeah, we got perimeter of 24. So if the perimeter is 24 and the base has 2 sides, I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. if the length, in other words, you know the perimeter, right? And you know you're looking for the number of sides, right? So if you know the perimeter, and this is, Jeremy, so we left off with the 12.7p equals, right, okay, 304.8. We divide by 12.7 and we got p equals 24, right? Okay, now that's the perimeter, okay? So remember when perimeter equals n times s, right? So we have the p, and we also have the length of the sides. Because look at number 7, where it says length of the side. The length of the side is what? 2, right? So 2n, because you're looking for the number of sides, right? So you're going to divide by 2, so then your number of sides is, right. All right. Do you need me, Chloe? Okay. Look at, see, I don't like these examples. When you look at the exercises, it's so much easier to understand. So look at exercise 1 on page 562. Okay. Now we're going to name the intervals for each of these functions. Okay. So now you know when it's colored in, it means it includes it, right? So if you have something like that, it means wherever that is, it's including it, and this is not. So there's 2 intervals here. Now, the one that's going down is what? All the way down. Like if you keep going forever, what would that stand for? Negative infinity, right? So you have negative infinity there, okay? Now, with the infinity, you can't enclose it because you don't know where it ends. So that's right. And then positive 2, okay? Now, right, yeah, because that's not included either. Now, the next one, it is because it's colored in. So that's going to be a, whatever they're called, bracket. Okay, so that's going to be a 2, and then that goes off to what? No, well, look where the arrow is. What do you mean? Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, no, this is on x-axis, so both 2 on the x-axis. So it's, right, 2, all right, infinity parentheses. So there's only the one bracket there. Okay, so now look at 2. 2 is, if that's just going to be one interval, which is what? Right. Um, meaning, bracket meaning it's including it? Because I can't see that. Yeah, I don't understand why they don't have it circled, or is yours closed in? Because I can't see mine. But just, yeah, that's fine. Just leave it like that for now. I'll look at that. So you have 0 and then what? 1, right? Right. So this one we have negative infinity and, well, what, hold on, let me see it. It's still x though. Yeah, negative one, right, and don't include it, right. Now, yep. No, that's right. That's another way to do it, but they, hold on. Let me show you what they did. They did negative infinity, negative one, and then negative one, one. So negative one, one. That's actually an actual point, but it's not including it. But I like the, what the hell did you put it? And then one infinity, right? But what did you say? Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine. Because then, yeah, and some of them, they have stipulations like that. Okay, this is the one I was talking about, the peak function. Like, as you're going up, you're increasing by what? One. So, you're going to, well, you're just going to use a variable for that. So, because each time, and it's including it. So, you're going to have that one open, and then that one closed. So, it would be, start with, like, say you started with n. Now, as you go up, you're going to keep adding what? 1. So the n's included, but the next n plus 1 is not. Do you see that? How it increases, but the n plus 1 would not be included. And wait, for number 5, the book is wrong. For number, I mean, yeah, for 3. For number 3, the book is wrong. It should be what you said. It should be included. It should be a bracket 0. Didn't you say that, right? Okay. Someone sounds like they're in a wind tunnel. Who is that? What is that? Your microphone? So yeah, I hear like it sounds like you're in a wind tunnel. No, I hear that, but I hear like static, like crazy static. Like, but it just went away. Oh, do you need me? Oh, what are you doing? Is that your earphone? Do you hear that? You don't hear that? What? Like it sounds like it's a wind, like, yeah, it was the ear, I think it's the earphone. Or your speaker. Oh, alright, what do you want now? Oh, you don't have to do 6 or 10. Alright. What about, alright, we're done with that part. How about, here, wait, let me write these down for you, because you don't have these. Um, yeah, yeah, sorry. I'm sorry, it's a minus sign. I can't erase without erasing the whole thing. X squared minus 3x minus 10. Oh, this one? X squared minus 3x minus 10. They're both the same. Oh, yeah, they're both the same, right? No, this one's not, though. Sorry. You see that? 3x plus 2x minus 4 over x squared plus 2x plus 1. All right. Let me just get back to them for 1 minute and see. Unmute. How are they able to mute themselves and I can't unmute them? Jeremy, Kayla. Oh, okay. Let's go over real fast. Did you do them already? Some? What? No, I'm talking to Chloe. Are you muted? Did you? Yes, yes. Okay. All right. So, what, Jessica, what number are you on? 8. So, all right, find the perimeter. Did you find the perimeter at least? What'd you get? 21, good. Now find the lateral. So it's half of the perimeter times 157.5. Good. Now you have to find the apothem. Remember because it has 3 sides, remember for the triangle, it was on page hold on. No. Square root, the square root of 3 over 6 times the side. That's the apothem. So the apothem equals the square root of 3 over 6 times the side. Because you need the apothem. Now, what's your side? The length of your side for number 8. The length of the side. 7. Good. So you have the square root of 3 over 6 times 7. And that's going to give you like a rounded out number. Can you multiply that out? What? Alright, so you have the square root of 3 here, right here, look. So this is for a triangle when it has 3 sides. So you have the square root of 3 over 6 times s. And s is 7. So in your calculator, do the square root of 3 over 6 and then multiply by 7. You might have to do the square root of 3 first. Kayla, did you write that down? We're on number 8. I'm sorry, go ahead. Chloe, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Jeremy, did you get 8? Yeah, next first, Jessica, can you finish 8? What'd you get for 8, Jeremy? What'd you get for the apothem? Oh, Chloe, did you write all these down so I can just erase this? Okay, good. Alright, what'd you get? Yep, good. Alright, let me see. Right. So, right, where are we? Okay. How about the exercises on page 370, 570? Because I want to get to derivatives before, I think we'll have time, but I don't know. So see how much more you can do with the limits, and then I wanted to do derivatives. Alright, hold on 1 second. Let me just do that, finish that problem for them real fast. Alright, so Jeremy, for the apothem, it was the square root of 3 over 6 times the side length. That's when you have the triangle, remember? Now, Jessica told me the side length is 7. So take your calculator, get me the square root of 3. What's the square root of 3? The square root of 3. How do you get the square root of 3? The square root of 3 on the calculator. Don't you? Yeah, put in square root 3 equals, hit your 3. I'm getting 1.73. Alright, so 1.73 divided by 6. And then times it by 7. I'm getting 2. Alright, so the apothem is around 2. So A equals 2. So now you take your apothem and your perimeter and do the S. So S equals L plus 1/2 AP. Same thing we've been doing. All right. We have our perimeter. Jess, what was our perimeter? Good. So it's 157.5 because Jessica found that, right? Right. So it's 157.5 plus 1/2 times 2, which you're a problem, and your perimeter was 21. All right. So multiply all that out first. Actually, that's just going to be 21, right? Because 1/2 of 2 is 1. 1 times 21 is 21. So then it's 157 plus 21 is what? 178.5. Good. All right, so that goes in the very last box, or number 8. And the box before that is 157.5. Okay? All right, now let's stop that for 1 minute. I don't want to do any more on that page just yet. Because I want to do the next section, which is spheres. All right, so you have the surface area of a sphere and the surface area of a polyhedron. But like I said, I'm going to give you the formulas, but you have to know how to use them and plug your numbers in. Okay? Okay, so let's start with, we're going to find the total surface area. I'm just going to jump right into the examples on the exercises on 357. So we have, does this look like the picture? No. Oh, man. Okay, so it says we want the total surface area. So it's 4 pi times the square of the radius. So 4 pi r squared. All right, so that's your S. All right, what's my radius? What's my radius? It's on page 357. What's my radius, Jessica, in that beach ball thing? Yeah, 4, right. So S equals 4 times 3.14 times 4 squared, which is 16. All right, now we'll multiply all that out. What do you get? Or you know what? You can leave it with the pi. So you know what? Leave that as pi, and then just do 16 times 4. What do you get? 64 pi. You can leave it as pi. Yes, yes. All right, no, all right. So wait, so leave 2 and 3 for a minute, because we're going to do those for homework. Look at 4. All right, now 4 is telling you they have the surface area. So you're going to substitute. So you're going to put 4, S equals 4 pi r squared. So for number 4, Jess, what are they telling you the surface area is? Yep, 676 pi. Good. What is the length of its diameter? So all we have to do, now wait, we're going to trick you here. Because now we have 4 pi r squared, right? So we substituted, they gave us the surface area. Now, let's get rid of it, everything we can get rid of. Okay, we can cross out the pi's, right? Because there's a pi here and a pi here. And then we can divide by 4. Divide by 4. What's 676 divided by 4? All right, 169. Okay. Now, r squared equals 169. How do you get rid of that square? Take the square root, so your radius equals. No. Find it out. What's the square root of 169? 12 times 12 is what? Okay. Jessica, look. Put the 169 in and hit the square root button. You should have one on there. It should have a square root with x inside. Did you find it? All right, anyway, it's 13. You're going to have to look at your calculator test. So if the radius is 13, what is the diameter? If the radius, yeah, it's twice as much, so the diameter is 26, right? The answer to 4 is 26. So I want you guys to do 2, 3, and 5 for homework. Is there any way you guys can upload it or no? You don't know how? Yeah, I'm gonna put it up there. Right. What? Where are you gonna type it out? How are you gonna type it out then? What do you mean pick? Wait. All right, Jessica, what were you saying? Type it on what and send it? Oh, you know how to do it now? All right, Kayla, what are you doing, miss? I see you looking all, you're looking all right. You're all sketchy over there. Oh, okay. What else is on the counter? Yeah. All right, so that's what you guys are doing. So 2, 3, and listen to me. 60%. This is work. I mean, the homework altogether is about 60%. So please do this. All right. So we went over one of each type. Yes, you use the formula right there, right here. It's right on the board. 4 pi r squared. Okay, and then for 5, you do well, no, that's for 2 and 3, Kate, 4 pi r squared. But for 5, since they gave you the surface area, you're going to have the S and you're going to be asked to find something else. So set it up like I set up 4. See it right here? This one? Yes? All right. Chloe, did you need me? I'm sorry. No, that's fine. Oh, yeah, we only have a minute. Yeah, you're good. Oh, bye, hon. Are you still at your sister's? The baby's there? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Go ahead, hurry up. We only have a minute and a half left. Go. Where? Oh, is he up? Oh, he is awake. Hi. Oh my goodness, he looks like your family. Hi. And that's Jeremy's clapping. His name's Teddy, right? Teddy? What is it? What is it? I like that, Max. I was gonna name Tammy Max, but I didn't. Yeah, that's cute. All right, so there's less than a minute. So, Kayla, do you know how to upload? Okay. And she's blowing her nose in front of everyone. All right, so make sure you work the problems out and send me all of the work. In case you get the answer wrong, you'll still get the credit. All right? Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.